guys, welcome to our last segment for this product, and this is going to be for the dead pedals. And so today we're going to really break down and show how easy these are to mount, because we want to keep the whole set easy mounting. It's going to be obviously with no fabrication, and it's going to be an easy slip on, and we're just going to break down each one. And all the different models, they have different ones, but we'll break down into that too. So the first one we're going to be breaking down is going to be for the newer Porsche models. This is for the 991, 992, also the 981 and 718s. And so it's really made out of the same material, still has that same hex design. It's going to be offered in two different colors right now. It's aluminum or this black anodized. This is still hardcore anodized, so it's scratch resistant. It's also being offered with logo or without a logo. So this would be without, or you can have an option without. Also, the mounting is going to be really easy. It's using still the stock system, so that housing, we're going to do an install later, and you just go and you'll push it right in there, and it'll sit right in there. It should come assembled already, so you guys won't have to worry about putting these on. They'll come with like that in the packaging. And the next one we got up is the 997 and the 987, and so this one's going to be the same thing. It's going to be nice and easy. It's going to fit just like the stock one. Stock one uses this spike system to keep it from sliding up when you're resting your foot on it. This is the housing, but on your housing obviously it's going to have a carpet around it, so it gets a nice tighter fit, and it will just slip right in like that. This will also come already pre-assembled. And then last we have the 996 and the 986. And this one, this stock one, it does use this is the only piece out of all of our sets that has any hardware showing. And that's because the stock one runs like that. So it's really just keeping that stock feel and that stock look. And so that screw comes with the set. You're not drilling any holes into it. It's already using a pre-existing hole. So this hole's already on your stock housing. So you're not going to be doing some fabrication where you're making new holes and stuff. You're already using a pre-existing hole, because that's how the original one is mounted. And so it just slides in, and then you just drill that in there. Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we're going to be doing an install on a 987, 997, and today we got a beautiful 911 turbo from 2008. It's looking great, and we're just going to do a dead pedal install, show how quick and easy it is to do this. All right, so we got this dead pedal. So what's going on is that you have to pull out towards you and up at the same time. So first you snap it out, so, and then up. See, like that? So you have to pull the top towards you, towards yourself, and then up at the same time, because this piece stops it from going up, and then you just slide up. And so now to get the new one on, this is already fully assembled, and so you can tell the resemblance, and it uses, see how small these plastic is flimsy plastic, but we thickened it up and kept the spikes the same, so that it digs into that carpet piece right here, and so that you're not having any movement or any vibration or anything, and it gives it that nice snug feel. Also, we ran tighter tolerances than stock, so that you don't have any of that wiggle room or anything. And so to put it on, it's just quick and easy. There's no fabrication required. You just go from the top, slide it down, and you'll feel it catch into the groove, and so that's in right there. See, it won't go side to side, not gonna go up or down. Watch me try to pull it up. I was trying to pull this out, and it's really in there, and it really completes the set right there. And so that's for the 997, no fabrication and quick and easy. Cool. All right, guys, so we're gonna show you how easy it is to install one of the dead pedals. This is for the newer models, as previously mentioned, and we're just show you how quick and easy it is to pop this in. All right, so first we're gonna start off with removing the OEM one, and so you can use a plastic removal tool or a flathead screwdriver. I start off from the top, pop it off, just kind of work my way down slowly. There it is. You'll get them off.
don't cut yourself running down this when you're going down it. The metal on this side is metal, and so just use that tool to pop it off, pry it off, and to get ours in, it should be all tight already. And it's going to be a press fit to get that nice OEM feel fitment right there. So I just start off from the top and work my way down, and it's in. And so you can see it. You won't hear it pop because it's not like plastic, so you can see as I'm pulling this, it's pulling the carpet before this thing comes off. And so what I do is, just for extra precaution though, is I get in, sit down, and just press on it with my foot, really make sure it's in there, which it feels like it is. And it's that quick and easy. Just press fit right in there. And this thing's not coming off. Alright, and just for a recap, this is going to be, that's the last of the set for the Numeric Racing pedal set. It started off with the gas pedal. It just was the easy mounting. All of this, you can see there's no hardware seen from the front. It's all hard coat anodizing for all the faces. And there's going to be different options available. You can get it without logos, with the logos, and also 2 different colors, which is going to be aluminum or a black. And their aluminum still hard coat anodized also, so you don't have to worry about the scratches. And it comes in the automatics also. And so this is the last of the set. It's just quick and easy install. This is the fastest install of any aftermarket car parts, aftermarket car pedals in the market right now. So with no fabrication required.